Now this is beautiful, goddamn. Oh, oh, now this is very heavy. Oh, this is very heavy. Oh my god. Even got the grill. Should be, can take it out if I remember. Need to screw this first. Then you can take out the grill. It's made of plastic. Nice industrial metal. Fans. Very nice. The back plate. Nitro Plus. And the power, it's using a 12-volt high power cable. And very thick card, like very thick. If this is correct, this is two HDMI and two display ports. Yeah. This out and take this out. You can see it's very thick. This is very heavy. Ooh. And the back plate goes on here. This is the bracket. So you can hide the cable underneath here, then the black plate conceals it. Or you can, these magnets are really strong. These magnets are really strong. And yes, you can also do this if you like. But yeah. This is very heavy. Okay. Yes, I guess that's for unboxing.